Hi, My-Ngoc from Shopping Party here. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly edit this Spring Panda templates that I'm giving you. So first, when you click on the link, you'll get to this page right here. This is a template created by Shopping Party was shared with you. Start designing now. So click on Use Template and it'll open up. Let's close this. All your template will show up, the signs, the square thank you, the mint, the pink, cupcake toppers or gift tags, and the food tent. Okay, and if you want to edit, you simply go over to the text and double click. Oops, sorry, my Grammarly will show up. I just need to turn that off. Okay, and you just need to double click. You can change the color if you want to keep it like that. Welcome to, or you can just type over it saying something like, it's party time. Jennifer's. And then change this to 8. You can make it bigger by dragging the corners, or you can also go up to here and make the font bigger this way or smaller. Okay, so it's up to you. However, whatever you want to. This template is for a birthday party, but you can change it to a baby shower. Just say, hey, let's get together. Anything you want, a retirement party if you want to. You can change also the text, the font itself. Now here's the one with the crown. The crown means you have to pay money. I believe it's $1 if you decide to use it. So if you don't, then choose anything else without the crowns. Okay. You could also change the italics of it. You can underline it. You can make it all big, small. All these options, you could also choose. If you have 2 lines, you could also change the spacing between the lines or the letters. See how they're wider apart. You could do all that in Canva. Another thing you can do in Canva is you can also put in photos. So go to Elements, go down to these frames here, and if you want, you can put a little frame like this and then upload your photo. Let's see if I have a photo in here somewhere. Just upload any photo. Here's a photo of my dog. I'm going to drag it over to that little frame. And there you go. There's my dog. Okay. You can just delete that if you want. And once you're done, you just move on to the next one. Now, let's see. We're going to do thank you. This one, you're going to have to change all of them. But what you can do is you can, if you want just to change the color, you can change all the purple to pink. But if you do that, it says change all. That means even the purple here will be changed to pink. Now, if you're okay with that, and here, you can always go back and change it back to purple. And these will also be changed to pink. So this is what happens when you do change all of the purple to pink. Everything turns to pink, including the ones that you probably don't want, like this. So just go back to it and change it to purple if you want to do it like that. And here too, you can always shift and select all if you like. That's another way to change. I believe I can do it. Let's say it's right here. You can change that all to purple. Okay. And if you want to type something else, you're going to have to do it to each one of them. Or you can do this. Thank you for making my, let me just make it bigger. Pandarific. Okay, and what you can do is you can always just delete all of these. It takes a little more time, but this is how Canva is. You could always just, there's another way of doing it, but that's just too many coming in and going out of Canva, so I'm just making it a little bit easier for you. So what you can do is you just click on this, do Command C, Command V. Oops, sorry, hold on. Select the text. I was in the text, so that's why I was adding the text instead of just selecting the whole thing. So let's see. Command C, Command V is copy and paste, and then just drag it over. C, drag it over. And that will also, and now you're there, you can copy all three and then just drag them. Option, drag them down. And then again, this. Now you can also select this. Select these, get shift and select these, and now copy and paste and then drag them down. Okay, like that. They might be a little bit off, so you just have to play around with it a little bit. So that's how you change that. Okay, and you could change here too, something else. Change these into thank you. Make it smaller, and then you just have to go. You could also, this is centered, all the text is centered. You can move it to the left, move it to the right, like that, or move it to the middle. And then just copy. The option key, I select the text and then I press the option key and then I drag them over. And that's how that, and then this too. So you can also, let me see if I can change them all at the same time. Nope. I wish you could, but you can't. So just put 8. It's fairly simple, this one though. Oop, I deleted the first one. So just drag. Okay, and this is, you can also add something here if you like. Oh, here's something that you might find interesting for you. It'll be cool to do. Happy birthday. Make it a little bit smaller so that it'll fit into this circle. Here is the trick. There's an effect that you could do, special effects. So let's say you want a curve. Yep, there it is. Normally when you press curve, it makes it really curvy up to 90. So you just move it back a little bit and then move it up. Okay, like that. And then you just change the text, change the color if you like, and then move it over. Move it over. And this is the same thing with this. You can change it to whatever you want. Just double click on it, select it. Just Panda Pop. And anything else, pasta. I don't know, pasta something. Something pasta, I don't know, whatever you want to write. I have pasta here too. And once you're done with everything, all you need to do is, let's see, this is the sewing, thank you. All of these can be printed onto a white cardstock. I would recommend 60 pounds and up to make it sturdy so it could stay nicely onto your cupcakes and your gifts. Once you're done, you basically just press download and then save them all as PDF print, which is very important because this will give you the best quality for printing at home. So PDF print. And you can also select which pages. Normally you can select all, or you can just select certain ones that you want to be printed out. Now select all and you click on done and then download. And then it'll ask what you want to do. I'm on Firefox, so this is my menu. Then just click OK. And then you print them out and you are done.